Guys, Whisk AI is back. I can't believe this. All the worries content creators have been having trying to get consistent characters, all the issues are now gone. With Whisk AI, you can generate 100% super cinematic, realistic image for your UGC, modeling, content creation, storytelling, name it, whatever you want to achieve, you can achieve it with Whisk AI without stressing yourself. And this is absolutely free. It's hidden somewhere, which I will take you guys through on step by step on how you can generate this and use it to explore, monetize, make money, and you can easily convert these images into video, have them talk, have them walk. I don't want to bore you guys. Let's go straight into this tutorial. Let's go, guys. Make sure you don't skip any part of this tutorial so you don't get it twisted along the line. Let's go. Let's go. First thing first, we'll head over to this amazing website called Flow AI. All right. Get to Flow AI. We're heading somewhere. Don't skip any part of this video. Okay. Come to this part and click on Flow AI. The first one, get it open. This amazing interface will pop up. You go to New Projects. Click on New Projects. All right. It will come up. Right. This phase will be open for you. We'll head over to tools. All right. You see all media, characters, scenes, tools, trash, collapse. Don't worry. We are working from tools. All right. When you come over to tools, you will see you have discover and you have my tool. All right. When you head over to my tool, you will see this for you to upload, upgrade, to create. That is not what we are working on. We'll be working under discover. All right. Right here, click on discover. You can come down here, build all the tools you can imagine. Amazing. Come down, you see image. You see everything you can do with image down here. That is cool. You keep coming down to video. You see things you can do with video, add text here and all that, right? We are heading somewhere, all right? So when you come over to prompting, you see the things you can do under prompting. Fine. We'll head down to this corner here where you see Whisk. This is where it is hidden, all right? You click on Whisk. This interface will pop out. With Whisk, all your image problems are solved. Your UGC image generation, super realistic image generation. It won't look like AI. This is so amazing, all right? This will pop out for you and it is super 100% unlimited. Let's say we have a story here. Let me come to my script, where I brainstorm my script, which is Claude AI. I already have a short story I've created here and have my image scenes. All right, image prompts. So when you come and bring your image prompt, this is part one, image generation prompt. We copy our prompts. All right. If you don't understand how to give prompts, I made a video on how to generate prompts like a pro. All right. The video will be tagged under the description box. You copy your prompts, come over to your Whisk AI and paste it here. Paste your prompt here. You click enter. It is going to give you two options for you to weigh the image that works well with your preference. You will now decide the image you want to work with. That is so amazing. You are not paying anything. Remember, this is 100% free. So all your image generation problems are gone. An amazing thing here is if the image is out and you are not comfortable with the image, you don't like the image, you can play around it. This script is about two friends that went to school together. One is doing well for himself and one is still trying to figure out life. That is the image we have here. So when you come on this image, you see that one is actually doing well. One is trying to walk around life. This is part one. And mind you that if you have good prompting skill, to get good image, consistent character won't be a problem. So here is my second one. Okay, this is my second part. So it's a two-part story because I don't want this video tutorial to be too long. So I made it very easy and short for you. You always have two images to generate. This is super mind blowing. Okay, if you find what we do here interesting and educating, click on the subscribe button, subscribe to be part of this amazing community. Click on bell notification to get notified anytime I bring lovely content your way. Okay, guys, the second part is coming up. So with this, it will be very easy for you to walk around scenes and convert to video. Yes, this is if you look at it here, they look same. They are the same character. Consistency, everything is super good. So let me read the script for you so that you will understand the storyline behind the image. Okay, let me read it out for you. All right, turn image prompts. Okay, part one, Watson and Jamal were inseparable throughout secondary school. They sat together in class, studied for exams under the same mango tree, and dreamed about the future with kind of certainty only teenagers possess. Yes, when they graduated, both of them were bright-eyed and ready to take on the world. Weston was separate. Weston's parents had connections in the finance sector, and through family networking, he landed an internship at a respected bank within weeks of finishing his final exam. Jamal, meanwhile, came from a modest background. His family had celebrated his graduation with joy, but little practical advantage to offer. He applied to dozens of companies, attended countless interviews, but kept hearing the same phrase over and over: we'll keep your CV on file, months turn. So this is how to generate good storyline, and image will be consistent. Then you move it over to your video generation. So let me know the video generation you like to use, or I will give you the best. You can use Grok AI, you can use Arena, you can use Flow, you can use so many image generation to bring your script, your video image to life. All right. So the most important thing here is Whisk AI is back, and you see where it is hidden. This is amazing. So guys, jump on this right now before you hear that it is being paid for. As at the time I'm making this video, it is absolutely free. Unlimited image generation. Guys, see you on my next video. I remain Anthony Olo. See you on my next video. Cheers.